In this video, I'm going to show you how you can format a USB flash drive on Windows. So first, go ahead and plug the USB drive into your computer. Now, once you've done that, provided that you've plugged it in correctly and the USB drive is still working, it will open up here and you'll be able to see it in your PC. So it should open up the File Explorer. If it doesn't, open up the File Explorer and then you should be able to see it. If you go to this PC, here is the flash drive. Now to format it, all we need to do is right click on it. You can then go ahead and click Format, which should appear. Now just bear in mind that this will remove all of the files that you've got currently on the drive. So click Format, then you can then simply keep these as default. So FAT32 is going to be default, so keep it on that. Then click on Start and it's going to erase all data, but let this format. And there you go. In a couple of seconds, format has now been complete. We can close out of this. And if we now open up the USB drive, everything has gone and the drive has been formatted.